Hey everybody, how are you all doing? Welcome to today's video where I share with you my secret for getting crazy results, guys. This recipe grows hair like crazy. You're going to love it because it's a great substitute for those stinky rice water, guys. If you've used rice water, you know what I'm talking about, but this is a protein is a rice treatment that has all the benefits that you can get from using rice water without the smell. So you like what you see, you better click the like button and stay tuned to the very end, because at the end I'm going to show you how to use this treatment to treat your hair against problems of hair loss, hair thinning and hair shedding, guys. If your hair is having excess shedding, I'm going to help you out, guys. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel, and I so much appreciate you for tuning in. And if you don't mind, please go ahead and click the subscribe button so you get notified every time I do post a new video here on my channel, and of course with the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do post, so you don't get to miss any upload that I do in the future. But if you're my OG, my regular, I so much appreciate you for the love that you've been showing me. For the ingredients, we are going to use our star ingredients to make this sleepy protein treatment for your hair that's going to stop hair loss and going to fight all scalp irritation and hair fall and hair thinning, guys. So we are going to use rice, guys. Rice is amazing for the hair. It makes a perfect detangler and also make your hair super smooth, so when you detangle, your hair does not break out. It also excellent. It's also very good for increasing shine for the hair, and it's also really good for making your hair very strong. Hence your hair will not be falling out, guys. Your hair is going to grow long and thick. Our next ingredients will be the okra. Okra is amazing, guys. As you already know, I've done so many videos on okra in the past video, and I'm going to leave a whole playlist dedicated to okra. So if you're new to okra, you can binge watch those videos when you finish watching this one, okay? If okra is something you have access to, please like this video and let me know down in the comment by sharing green emojis, guys. Okra is amazing for restoring damaged hair. It's going to condition the hair, and it's also a great moisturizer, guys. If your hair is dry, brittle to breaking, please consider starting okra. Or if you're new to taking care of your natural hair, then okra is a great way to go because it's easy to prepare. You just need to boil the okra, let them cool, and of course strain them as I demonstrate in the video. On the other hand, okra contains a lot of benefits, guys. It contains a lot of nutrients, healthy benefits, like vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K. Contains calcium, iron, manganese, zinc, potassium, and all this stuff I'm mentioning, they're great for helping your hair to grow strong. Also, okra has high quantity in fibers, which causes the sleep, that makes a great detangler, and also has a great antioxidants that are going to help your hair, and also they're full of protein, guys. Also, the rice that you see here contains a lot of nutrients Rice contains vitamin B, vitamin E, contains minerals, contain more antioxidants, and also contains amino acid, guys. So how to prepare this treatment? You just have to mix everything after you've blended, like into the rice into the okra juice or okra soup or whatever you want to call it, and of course stir your mix thoroughly. Application time. Now when it comes to applying, it's so easy because the minute this treatment touches your hair, it's going to make your hair super moisturized. I'm sorry for this reflex. I have to find a LD filter for the light because it's reflecting a lot, especially when something is white. Excuse me for that, but let me try to get a better angle. At least here is much better, hopefully. So when you're applying this treatment to your hair, make sure you're dealing with small sections so that the treatment can get into every single strand and makes it easy to detangle. So as you can see, as I said earlier, the minute this treatment touches your hair really gets moisturized, and after a couple applications your hair is fully hydrated and ready to be detangled. This overall have enough slip that your hands can just slide through the hair strand, guys. As you can see, at the minute I put it, my fingers can just slide through like the way you are seeing, guys. So it's very essential when you want to prepare your hair for a long-term protective style, or you are from a long-term protective style and you want to detangle your hair. It's a great way to go, guys. If you're getting value, please go ahead and like this video and make sure you comment down below if you're going, and let me know if you're going to try this treatment by leaving me some white emojis, guys. I'll so much appreciate, and be sure to tell me what you want to see next, or if you have any questions, let them be known to me down in the comment, and I'll try to answer them as much as I can, guys. Okay, yeah. So I know you love watching my hair, me doing my hair, so let me not talk so much and let you enjoy the video. On the screen, guys, is the videos of me taking care of my hair. So if you're new to my channel, you can watch some of those, and some of the video will be left down in the description box, and of course up in the cards accordingly. So you like what you see, again, smash the like button, and of course be sure to sit under a heat so that this treatment can work effectively. As you can see, I'm already tired, but be sure to click the video on the screen so you get to check out more videos on how to take care of your own hair using natural ingredients that you have access to or may have access to in the comfort of your home. That being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.